I study the origins of altruism and cooperation in young children. I'm a developmental psychologist by training, and most of us are helpful to one another, even though it may not always look like this if you turn on the news, but humans are uniquely cooperative. And it is in early childhood where most of us first demonstrate our ability to cooperate, even though it's quite difficult often for a 2-year-old, for a 3-year-old to forego their selfish interests to benefit others. But it does happen. We're interested in understanding the mechanisms that make a 2-year-old help appear. We're interested in the kinds of emotions. So what are the origins of these positive feelings that we experience when we help others? There's also positive emotions when we see others being helped. So why would anyone really help each other very early on? We are quite curious to see how parenting influences children's helping behavior. We would like to understand how it changes, how the motivations for helping change across development. So as adults, we can be quite strategic. When we help others, we are aware of the benefits for our reputation that it can have to help others. But for young children, it's slightly different. And so we mostly do observational work. So we have families, out of the kindness of their hearts, participate in our studies and visit us at our research institutes. And we engage children in various forms of games and plays that give us a chance of understanding the motivations and the emotions that underlie their cooperation and helping behavior.